Alright, hi, my name is Danny. I'm filming this with my laptop, so bear with me. I'm going to show you my CBR 600RR. Basically, it's stock except for I have frame sliders on there. I have my GoPro mounts. I did put some flush mounts on there. I'm still testing those out. Haven't noticed any major horsepower gains or fuel mileage changes, so we'll see how that goes. Here I'm going to show you this pinstriping that I have on my bike. I was looking at the 600RR forum, and really it's just a good forum for anything 600RR. There's this one guy, he had some striping on his bike. I did something a little bit differently. I spaced it out a little bit, give it that cool pinstripey look. Basically all it is this pinstriping stuff. It's an 1/8 inch. You can get it at bigger sizes, but I just get a AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts. Comes in black or silver. I haven't seen any other colors. But it's a really easy, inexpensive, and time-consuming way to spend your afternoon making your bike look good. I use silver because all these Honda logos are silver, so I decided to go with. When you have your first section done, I pretty much use a really sharp knife, and you can see where they overlap, where the point is going to form. The sharper knife you have, the easier it is, because you don't have to push down and you won't create scratches in your plastic. There you go, comes to a point. And then for the tops, I just cut off right where the plastic's end. And there you have it.